Hello students, in previous video we have seen basic operations on CT signals. Under that we have seen addition, multiplication, subtraction. Now today we are going to see time scaling. In this operation we are going to scale this time t. Now this is nothing but x of 2t and x of t by 2. Let's drop x of 2t. Now in this operation, whatever values on x-axis, that is values of t, will get compressed. The -1 will go to the -0.5, 1 will go to the 0.5, 2 will go to the 1, as the operation is given 2t. -0.5 plus 0.5 and 1. There will not be any change in amplitude. This is the signal. Next operation is x of t by 2. Now in this operation, the values on x-axis, that will be multiplied by 2. -1 will go to the -2, this +2 will go to the 4. -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Amplitude will remain same. This one will shift to the 2 and 2 will shift to the 4. This is x of 2t, x of t by 2. If we compare with given x of t, in x of 2t the signal is compressed and in x of t by 2 signal is expanded. Let's see. Next operation is time reversal or folding operation. This is nothing but we are going to reverse the time. For example, the x of t is given and time reversal or folding is nothing but x of, we have to find out x of minus t. Whatever values at -1, t is equal to -1, that will go to the plus, and t is equal to plus values will shift to the minus. Let's draw x of minus t. Amplitude will remain same. This is the answer. Next operation is inverted signal operation. Now let's consider this is the x of t, and inverted signal operation means we have to find out minus x of t. In this operation, the amplitude at plus, that will go to the minus, and minus amplitude will go to the plus. Means signal is rotating about x-axis. this plus value will go to the minus, and this minus amplitude will shift to the plus. This is the resultant. In time reversal operation, the signal is rotating about y-axis, and in inverted signal the given x of t is rotating about x-axis. The next operation is amplitude scaling. Under that we have two types of scaling. First is upscaling and another one is a downscaling. Upscaling is nothing but 2x of t. Downscaling is nothing but x of t by 2. In this operation, 2x of t, whatever amplitude is given in x of t, that will be multiplied by 2. Now 1 will shift to the 2 units. Let's draw 2x of t. The values on time axis, it will not change. This operation is nothing but upscaling. This value 1 is shifted to the 2 as 2x of t, the given problem, and here it is minus 1 is shifted to the minus 2. The next operation is time shifting. Time shifting is nothing but the question is getting in the form of x of t plus 1, and for example x of t minus 1. The x of t plus 1 is nothing but, for example, this is x of t. If we operate x of t plus 1 on this signal, this particular signal will shift to the left hand side by 1 unit. And if it is x of t minus 1, the x of t signal will shift to the right hand side by 1 unit. Let's draw it. X of t plus 1. Now the signal is starting at minus 1. It will shift by 1 unit as x of t plus 1 is given. Minus 1, minus 2. Signal is ending at 2. It will shift to the 1 unit. 1. There will not be any change in amplitude. This is the resultant. We have seen x of t plus 1 is nothing but advanced operation. The signal is shifted to the left hand side by the given time t. Next operation is x of t minus 1 operation. This operation is known as delay operation. In this operation, the given x of t will shift to the right hand side by 1 unit. So the x of t starting at minus 1, it will start to the 0, and it is ending at 2, it will end at 3. This is the resultant sketch. X of t plus 1 is nothing but advanced operation. X of t minus 1 is nothing but delay operation.